I had cataract surgery with Dr. Tai this spring, and I chose to get, with her advice, her very sound and solid recommendation, to get the full range of vision lens that would free me from what I was living with before. I had 4 pair of different glasses. I struggled to see mid-range. I could not see far, and then I had a separate pair of glasses for near. All of this in a single surgery was remedied. It was extraordinary. And now I see near, far, and in between with such ease and clarity, it's shocking. I'm now able to see the leaves on the trees at a distance, the detail of clouds in the sky, flowers, all these things that I was rather in a blur. And then the ease of being able to sit down at a computer and work without the difficulty of finding in my lens which part of the trifocal lens. I would be moving my glasses around all the time and had a great deal of discomfort. So this has really opened up my world, and I highly recommend Dr. Tai, her skill, and I recommend everyone in her practice. You'll have a very professional experience.
Thank you so much, Barbara. I appreciate your feedback.
Absolutely.